You won't believe how VaultVision Finance is redefining personal finance in 2026. Most people assume finance apps are all the same, tracking expenses and providing generic tips, but VaultVision takes a smarter, more actionable approach. VaultVision combines budgeting, account monitoring, and AI-driven insights into one platform. When you connect your accounts, it automatically categorizes spending, flags unusual patterns, and suggests actionable ways to save. The surprising truth is that most people spend 10-15% more than they realize on recurring costs, and VaultVision makes those hidden expenses visible. One feature that stands out is the predictive saving tool. The app analyzes your income and spending trends, then predicts upcoming expenses, allowing you to allocate funds ahead of time. For instance, if it detects an upcoming utility spike or annual subscription renewal, it will recommend adjusting your budget automatically. This proactive approach helps prevent overspending before it even happens. VaultVision also includes goal-setting features. Whether it's an emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for a trip, the app breaks each goal into manageable milestones and tracks progress visually. Most people get discouraged with long-term goals because they feel overwhelming, but VaultVision keeps motivation high by showing small, achievable wins. Security is a priority. All connections use bank-level encryption, and multi-factor authentication ensures your accounts stay protected. The app doesn't hold your money directly. It's a financial management tool, not a bank, but its insights can have a real impact on your financial habits. The main limitation is that VaultVision doesn't provide investment options or direct account transfers. It's designed for planning, tracking, and optimizing, not for transactions. But for anyone serious about understanding and controlling their finances, it's incredibly useful. So, is VaultVision Finance still worth it in 2026? Definitely, if you want an intelligent, actionable tool to manage your money, spot hidden spending, and achieve your financial goals faster. Subscribe to see more practical finance reviews that reveal what really works in the real world.